Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kori Nicole. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. Y'all, today is the day. Okay, I'm all over the place today. It is like 10 in the morning. I just pulled up to Walmart. I forgot that I need to go look for boxes. Y'all know, if y'all been watching me, I get all of my shipping boxes from Walmart. That's just what works for me. And I usually just pick them up when I'm in the store. I literally need to start ordering them online in bulk so that I can, you know, just always be stocked up. But we just like to grab them as we see them. Usually they have a lot, so we grab like all that they have, so we'll have like a lot of stock. If y'all have been watching my vlogs for a minute, y'all remember those videos where you're in Walmart and the whole cart is just like full of boxes and bowls and all that kind of stuff? Yeah, that's usually how it is, but I need to grab some boxes. Hopefully they have some, because they've been kind of like very sporadic with their inventory lately. They would have like some of the sizes, but not all of them. I use 4 sizes of boxes, so we have small, medium, large, extra large. So I kind of like need lots of boxes. So we're at Walmart first. My mom's already at the office. She's mixing up lip gloss. We're working on lip gloss containers, and I also have some retail orders that I need to do and some sample orders. Like, I have stuff that I need to be doing as well. So she's already there. I called her. She's already working. I don't know how long she's been there, but it sounds like we're gonna get out early, because I also have another video that I need to film later for Fire and Desire Hookah. So I'm kind of like all over the place. I'm like, yep, gotta go to the store, gotta go work on orders, and gotta go home, gotta film a video. Usually I don't film and work on lip gloss on the same days unless my video is about lip gloss, you know, but it's fine. We're vlogging today. We're gonna do our hookah. I'm actually gonna put that clip into this video. Yeah, you guys are gonna see the hookah content later, so just stay tuned if you're interested in that. But we're gonna go inside Walmart and we're gonna hope that they have everything that we need. It is raining, as you can see. I hate it. I hate it here. I hate it here. The pollen is out and the rain is just like washing it everywhere, which you would think would be a good thing, but I don't know. My allergies are on 12,000, so I'm not really feeling it, but it's cool. I'm about to put my hood on, put my mask on, and we're gonna go inside Walmart. Okay, I made it inside, period. I think it's better that I'm here early, honestly, so we're gonna hope for the best. I don't really need any boxes today. I mean, boxes. I don't really need any bowls today, because I really stocked up on bowls the last time I came here, but I'm just like, I'm gonna run over there to see if they have any bowls, because we use 2 different size bowls as well, and we're stocked up on one side and not the other. So I'm gonna go check on bowls as well. Ooh, all right, they have some boxes, but do they have what I need though? I don't think they have what I need. Y'all, this is like gonna be insane in a few seconds, seriously. So these are the large boxes and the extra large boxes. I need the small boxes, which will be there, and the medium sized boxes, which I don't, oh no, the medium sized boxes will be there and the small boxes will be there. Those are the large boxes. Those are supposed to be right here, but that's all they have is large and extra large for me. So I don't know, you guys, what am I gonna do? I might have to go to the post office and just get a bunch of priority boxes and pray that it's gonna work. It should work for the small orders, but the big ones, I have to use the bigger boxes. I don't know, y'all. Those priority boxes are weird in size for me, so we're gonna have to figure something out, because, oh, what is this? Oh no, these are folded. These are all like moving boxes. I was about to say, if that was just a box right there, I could have used that. Yeah, they have like all of these like bigger boxes for moving and packing and stuff. Oh my Lord. Okay, well, today's gonna be an interesting day, y'all. All right, so luckily it wasn't a complete fail, because I do have the bowls that I need, which is great. Y'all, it sounds like the rain is getting harder and harder, so I'm gonna hurry up and get up out of here. I'm gonna have to go to the post office and hope that they have some priority boxes there. in different sizes because I've never used the priority boxes, so I'm gonna have to go and assess the size again, because I just remember at the beginning I was just like, the priority boxes didn't really make sense for my business because I couldn't fit all my stuff in there. So I'm hoping we are able to finesse today. You guys are along with me on the journey to see, so let's go. Okay. I made it back to the car. Sweat everywhere. It's totally fine. Whoo, y'all, and it's hot too. I got my Get Suckered hand sanitizer. Y'all know I keep this in my car, keep this in my purse. Make sure you click the link in my description box to shop Get Suckered. But yeah, keep your hands clean, people. All right, so I'm gonna go to the post office, and hopefully there's not a lot of people in there, because then I can go up to the register and get these packages. Y'all sent me some stuff that was too big for my P.O. box, which I don't understand what y'all are sending me that's too big for my P.O. box. But I have some slips, so I need to go up to the front and, you know, get them to hand me the packages. Thank y'all for sending stuff to my P.O. box. I'm so behind schedule. I have so many packages I need to open. I have a small business promo on the way. I'm so behind. I gotta get my life together. So luckily I'm on the road where, you know, Walmart is. The post office that I go to is right here, and then the office is literally right around the corner. So the rain is slacking up a little bit. Let me hurry up. Let me move quick. All right, we can do this. Okay, so there were too many people in there, y'all. So what I did was I just grabbed some boxes. I got the medium flat rate and the large flat rate, and we're gonna hope for the best. I know that shipping this stuff is probably gonna be more expensive with these priority boxes, which is why I try to avoid using them. It's just like, there's pros and cons to this. I can talk about that in another video, but we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how it goes, y'all. I'm hot, I'm sweating. Turn my air on so I can get some air, but we're gonna go to the office now. So I went ahead and built these priority boxes, and honestly, they're not too far off with the sizing. So that was good. I'll be able to use these, and I'm gonna order some online because you can order them online for free in packs of 25. So I'm gonna do that. And then there's a smaller box because I need a smaller box for when people order just one container. Like, as y'all can see, we have all of the orders laid out right here. So yeah, I'm like, if it's just 1 8-ounce container, I really don't want to waste a whole big old box like that. So they do have a smaller version. I didn't see it at the post office, but I'm going to order them online and we're gonna test them out. So yeah, I did also find some more boxes in here. Y'all, my office is still in shambles. Like, I need to clean up, we need to organize, but that's real life. We're working so much, we don't have time to organize. So we're gonna pick a day, organize, and finish, you know, what I started, because I did start filming the organization process and then never finished it, so that's fine. But yeah, mom has been working. Y'all, those little pipettes, like the end of the pipettes that I'm cutting off, they fly everywhere. They fly everywhere. They're always all over the floor. But yeah, we got mainly container orders today. We got some glitter orders. I have the organza bags in my hand because I'm about to pack up all of the retail orders. We're here. Hello, it's us.
Hello, it's us.
Literally, that's his new thing. He's just a copycat.
I got it from her.
Copycat. He just,
it fits though.
He just wants to say something back. It's okay.
She'd be like, hello, it's me. I'd be like, hello, it's us. Then it's us.
Anywho, we're here. We're smoking hookah. We're trying new flavors. I'm excited. Greg is letting me know which ones are his favorite. He's not doing half bad, you know? So far, so good. I'm very picky about my hookah flavors. So, you're doing great.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're doing great. Well, what are we smoking right now? Oh, grapefruit. It's pretty good. It's good. We're listening to LMA. Y'all see her in the back. What day is it today? Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday.
Tipsy Wednesday.
Tipsy Wednesday.
Tipsy Wednesday, yep.
Wobbly Wednesday.
Oh my God. Even more fitting. Wobbly Wednesday. Yes, correct. even more fitting. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the setup, but y'all know it's only Fire and Desire hookahs over here. Link is always down below. We're gonna keep enjoying ourselves. Got our lolly tips. He enjoys the lolly tips.
I enjoyed the lollies.
He enjoys the lollies. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the hookahs. And we're gonna continue. We're gonna have fun. It's fine. Oh yeah, I need to drink my wine because he's drinking his faster than me.
Won't play.